After almost a year of negotiations, India and US have reached an agreement to their trade deal. US has reduced tariffs on Indian imports to 18% from 50%. After the call with Prime Minister Modi, Trump posted on Truth Social announcing the tariff cuts. He also claimed that India will now have zero tariffs on American goods and that it will stop buying Russian oil. In his post, he also said that India will buy $500 billion worth of American goods. Prime Minister Modi in a tweet thanked Trump for the tariff cuts, but he did not mention many other details that Trump had claimed. So, what exactly is in the deal is not yet clear, but assuming what Trump has said is true, let's take a look at what will get cheaper now and what still stays expensive. Starting with the cheaper ones. First is tech hardware and components that include your gadgets like laptops, consumer electronics, smartphones and more. And then comes packaged goods and household appliances. Agricultural products like pulses and dairy could also see less import duties if the claims are very true. Now coming to Indian exports to the United States, meaning which sectors will get more competitive in the US markets. First is textile and apparel. The budget 2026 also focused more on this labor intensive sector. Then gems and jewelry, and then industrial categories like chemicals and engineering goods will also get better market access in the United States. Now, what will stay expensive? Well, duties still remain on steel, aluminium and copper as those tariffs were announced separately. Also, tariffs might still be approximately at 25% on some auto components due to the limited tariff relaxation. So that's about it. What gets cheaper and what still stays expensive after the deal. However, there is no clarity on things that I mentioned earlier. The fact that India has agreed to zero tariffs on American goods, buying of $500 billion worth of goods from the United States, and pausing Russian oil purchases as Indian officials have not yet confirmed this. However, the deal was seen as a big positive as experts and analysts just spilled to the markets, fueling gains after the budget hit. Experts say that this will help the return of FII inflows into India, give relief to labor-intensive sectors, give rupee a push, ease bond yields and strengthen the economy overall. Key sectors now in focus are textile and apparel, gems and jewelry and auto components. We will keep bringing you details on this deal as and when it comes out. So till then, keep watching ET Now for more such news and views.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.